What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video on learning Kotlin step by step. My name is QD Yazdani, and you guys watching my channel, Koraiwood. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and with the further learning this Kotlin language. All right, so in this video we're going to discuss this variable data types. What is variable data types? I assume you guys already familiar with programming language like Python or JavaScript or any other programming language. So if you're not, just leave a comments below and I'm going to explain one by one what is the variables. What is integer data types, what is character data types, floating data types, and all other data types. So as you guys already know, in first video, in the second video, I think that was second video, we said that we printed our print line. So in this one, in this video we're going to say val, that's for value, my number. If you guys familiar with Java, say you guys can put a my num, or you guys, to make it short, my num is 30. And how you guys gonna print your number? Print ln, and that's how you guys gonna put a my num. So in this, if you guys familiar with Java, in Java we use var. In the Kotlin we also use var, but Google recommends you guys to use val. So val is more permanent. So that's how we use val. So we have something called var. Var is more temporary, but like a JavaScript, they have a var, but syntactically, Kotlin is more towards between sort of JavaScript and say Python, because you guys don't have this semicolon to end the line. But there is an exception to this semicolon. So I'm going to show you how, in what circumstances you guys use. So at the moment we go on val my num is equal to 30, and we're going to print out my num. So we're going to go ahead and run our program, and we're going watching the build that our program is running. There is something annoying here with my here arrow, so I'll apologize for that. I don't know how to get rid of this. I think the only time I can get rid of this is to shut down the windows and restart it again. So, and it's gonna take a long time. All right, so we wait for our program to run, and we want to see this print out our number 30 on the screen. All right, so if you see that print my number is already printed here. So in what situations we can use this semicolon, because it's like a Python, but the only time we can use this semicolon is if you guys put in the same line. So that's what the recommended way. So we go ahead and it's running, and you guys see without error, you guys can put a here. So print ln my number is, and put a colon here, and you guys running ahead again to see that on the screen clearer, and you guys see that the build is running. And soon we're gonna discuss different data types. What is the different, how you guys declare your data type. So my number is, you guys see that my number is 30. So that's how you guys declare, and that's the only time you guys declare your or put your semicolon. Other than that, if you guys put in different lines, you don't need to put anything. All right, so with the integer data types, you guys can put a val. Just I said my num is equal to 50. That's how the integer data types, that's how you guys declare your integer data types. And with the character, so you guys, what you guys do with the C++, you guys put my char or something. With this one, you guys, with the Kotlin, you guys can put my car or my char is equal to say F, because if you guys want to declare your single value, so you guys, that's how you guys do that. So if I hope you guys familiar with the char or character data types. So that's how you guys do, but there is no semicolon inside this Kotlin. All right, so you guys can create as many characters as you like. So you guys can put my char, again my char, A, B, C, D, as many as you like. All right, so what's a string, like literal strings? How you guys do your strings? So we go now on a string, which is string data types. All right, so we put our val. You put your my name. So you put a my name, and you guys can put in a literal string. In my case, my name is Yazdani. You can put your own. All right, so as you guys see, there is no semicolon. All right, so you guys can put another one. I'll do. So you guys can put say my age, for example, and you guys can put say 30, which is not my real age, I admit. I'll just put some phony number here, so don't go with that. And you guys can put another one, my val. So val num is equal to say 100. Say for 100. So now, how you guys gonna show your message? So we put a val out. Say you guys can put output. I hope you can do that. So you can put a literal string double quote, and you guys can put this dollar sign like a Java, sorry, like a PHP, and you guys can put a my name. Okay, so you guys can put it like this. My name is say we want to declare our name. So my name and my age is, you can put a dollar sign, put a my age, and my number is, and you guys can put a dollar sign num. So that's how you guys do that. And you guys come here and print ln to print the message. So to print the output, sorry. So you put an output here. It says not responding. Typical Windows. So out. Okay. So here we declare the val, my name is equal to Yazdani, and we again we put my age, which is integer. My age and my name is also integer. So that's how we declare our integer. And at the here we put output, and my name is my name, and my age is $my age, and my number is $num. So this is the number here. And we save this one, we run. All right, so we wait till it runs. All right, so as you guys see that my name is Yazdani, and my age is 30, and my number is 100. So you guys see this is exactly like PHP. If you've done a PHP, that if you put your variable, the only exception here inside the literal string, you guys can declare your like a placeholder. This is also placeholder, and that's how we also placeholder. So you guys say you guys can also put a new line. Say if you put your name, you can close this, and you guys come in. So wall, my name, and you guys come here, wall 2, wall, say wall 1 is equal to say input, for example, is equal to, then you guys put the same thing, wall 1. So there is a, okay, I put here, that's what is angry on me. So that's how you guys do that. Sorry, that should supposed to be wall, not wall 1. Okay, so input. Alright, so you guys can do like this. So you guys put a print ln, and you can put your next line like this, like C++, no problem. Or you guys can put your new line somewhere else. You can even declare your new line, and you can put a print ln, say input. You can put input, yeah. So we run. Okay, as you guys see that we are working with this wall, and my name is Yazdani, my age is 30, and my number at the first line we are declaring that my name is Yazdani, which is here, and the second one we print line comes in and putting a next line, a big gap here, like going the next line, and my age is 30 and my number is 100. So that's how you guys do that. That's how you guys declaring your variables, and that's how you guys printing the output, which is this one. You guys can name anything. That's your you're declaring your data type. And Kotlin is very, very clever. They can work it out what sort of data is like. Say we have a string here. It already worked out that behind the scene we don't need to put a string or anything. We just put a wall. Here we are declaring the integer, and it's very, very clever. As soon as we put a wall, my age 30, and Kotlin already worked it out that this is integer. And here if we put a num, which is also integer, and it is in data type, and Kotlin already worked it out that this is also integer or int. And the output, my name is, it's a literal string inside this double quotes, and we put a $, my name, because this is working as a placeholder. So placeholder, and you guys put a wall input, and my age is $my age is also a placeholder, and my number is my num. So you guys see that the first line, print line, is my name is Yazdani, is outputting this one, and there is a gap here, which is this one, and this print ln, which is this one. So as you guys notice, I'll include this in single quote, and you guys see that the print ln also output this single quote as well. So it regardless of you guys put a single quote or double quote, it still outputs this next line. And that's how we put our variables. So if you guys got any question or comment, or you guys don't understand this different data types, leave your comments below, so we're going to explain to you guys. All right, I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.